Oh, this is my favorite. What are my thoughts on steaming hair? Steaming hair. What is steam? Steam is water. So, water is condensation. Steam is moisture. Steam is water. So how does steam, so say you're natural, right? Say you're natural and you don't do wash and go styles often enough and you can't figure out why your hair is dry, but you want to steam it. What is steam going to do to your hair that a wash and go style, which serves two purposes? It leaves your hair healthy and soft. It turns around your whole hair care, the condition of your hair, into one that from being dry to soft and healthy, which makes the hair stronger, makes it not weak, it makes it, which doesn't leave it fragile, it makes it strong. So it is the strong, durable hair that they said it was. But not because kinky hair is rough and tough, but because kinky hair is supposed to be, if healthy, is left strong. So you can do a lot with it. The ideal of moisture and steaming your hair, you know, women with natural hair, women of color like to put a lot of stock in a treatment, and steaming your hair is one of those treatments, right? And when you think about it, historically, there's been so many products and or ideals or methods that were not to embrace your natural hair or your hair beyond trying to change it or put it away or use it as an anchor for something else, that we got away from real hair care specific to your natural texture. And so steaming your hair is one of those kind of things that you do or treatments that is unnecessary if you're doing wash and go styles frequently to textures that are naturally drier, because it turns around and your hair, the health of your hair to be one that's from dry to brittle to fragile to super strong, healthy, that allows you to have versatility. So my thoughts on steaming the hair is that just treat your hair right through doing proper co-washing and wash and go styling so that you can have hair that has more versatility and flexibility for you to be rocking all kind of different looks without damaging your hair.